Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to complete the rest of the part of clustering algorithm. So let's go. Now write the prediction function. So def prediction, self as parameter, then point, distances equal third bracket numpy dot lineage dot norm, point minus, I will be subtracting all the points with the centroids. So centroids self dot centroids, give an index of I for I in centroids, centroids. Okay, now prediction will be distances dot index mean distances, and it will return prediction. Now I will be calling the class function, hold it upward, call it here clf equal to kmean, keeping the default parameters. Now clf dot feed the data set. Now clf dot predict, you can give any point out there for prediction. Let's say I am giving 44 and let's say 66. Okay, now let's plot the data for I in, let's say, clf dot classifications for j in clf dot classifications, give index I out there, then plot dot scatter j of 0, j of 1, color equal to colors out there. Okay, give I as index, then size of 30 should be okay, and make an array out there, colors equal green and red. Okay, now plot the centroids for I in clf dot centroids, right, plot scatter clf dot centroids I will be putting the first element, then clf dot centroids I, putting the second elements out there, give a marker out there of cross, color out there of C. Okay, this should be okay. Now run the code. Okay, there is an error, clf unexpected index. Let's check. Oh, there is a space out there, cut the space. Now run the code. There is error, so unexpected index. What is this? Oh, okay. Now run the code. And yeah, there is imbalance in this line, so let's check this out. Okay, and there is a first bracket out there. Bring this here. Now run the code, and you can see these are the data of one group and these are the data of another group, and here is one centroid and there is another centroid. Now I will be plotting my predicted point. So this is my predicted point. So right here, prediction, predicted, right here, predicted. Okay, and plot here, plot dot scatter. What is the point? Point of 44 and the point of 66, no? Yeah. And give the color of equal to, what should I say? Yeah, colors, and give the index equal to predicted. Yeah, and give a size of, let's give it a 50. Okay, now run the code, and you can see this is the new point out there, the bigger point, and it is of red color and it is of type this type. Okay, so this is all for clustering algorithm. See you with another algorithm in the next tutorial. Up to then, stay well. Thank you. Goodbye.